So today I'm here at Mama Noi and we're at the cooking class. First dish that we're making is pad thai. So I'm here now at the food mart as we're doing a cooking class. So what we're doing is making about 3 to 4 courses, appetizer, the main meal, and a dessert. They showed us around. They showed us like the vegetables that we'll be using. So I'm like super excited about that. So then after they just let us come walk around a little bit. So that's what we're doing now.
Normal soup, creamy by the coconut milk, no? The second one, tom yum goong. This one, tom yum soup, tom yum goong. This one, no? We're gonna use the shrimp. Goong in Thai mint shrimp. This one I recommend more spicy, more sour, no? More spicy, more sexy, no? Everyone.
Ooh, hey.
More
I've been going out on my head. I've been waiting for
Pakka pao.
I'm asking for it's just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind. I can't get up. Tell me things I can't say myself from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me.
First dish that we're making is pad thai. I love pad thai. It's one of my favorite things to eat. And I'm super excited because I've eaten so much pad thai since I've been in Bangkok, or since I've been in Thailand. I actually ate a lot of it in Bangkok as well. But since I'm here in Chiang Mai, we're coming to this cooking class because that's what they say everybody should try. So let's do it. So I have chicken, I have my tofu, I have like the little shrimps, onions, and garlic. I have the carrots, I have the bean sprouts, and I have whatever this new stuff is. Let's put it in.
You and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me. Shine on me. Shine on me. Shine on me.
try the soup. What soup is this? Tom yum? And I'm gonna try the pad thai. All right, so we're on my last dish, which is the khao soi. Let's try it. Nope. Oh, Jesus.